Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Lixada Bike Rack Bag with Rain Cover, a versatile 13-liter bike bag designed for your rear rack. This bag offers a spacious main compartment, 2 side pockets, and a back pocket, making it perfect for organizing essentials like your phone, charger, wallet, and more, all within easy reach during your ride. Safety is a priority with its reflective strip for enhanced nighttime visibility and a hanger for a tail light, plus it includes a rainproof cover with reflective strips to keep your belongings dry and visible in heavy rain. Installation is a breeze with its fastener strap, compatible with various bicycle racks, ensuring stability whether you're on a mountain bike, road bike, or electric bike. The bag's multifunctionality shines with a carrying handle and adjustable shoulder strap, allowing it to double as a handbag or shoulder bag, perfect for travel, camping, or any outdoor activity. Constructed from high-quality polyester with a solid structure and PE cotton filler, it ensures your items are well protected, while the elastic band on top secures extra items like water bottles or maps. With a dual zipper closure for easy access, the Lixada Bike Rack Bag is your ideal companion for any cycling adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.